Have you ever felt lost or alone, like your heart is too heavy to carry? This is the story of a girl named Ilara and how one magical tree helped her find hope again. The Broken Girl and the Magic Tree. Once upon a time, there was a small village between green hills and deep forests. In this village lived a quiet girl named Ilara. People called her the Broken Girl because she was always sad. When Ilara was just a little girl, something very sad happened. Her parents died in a terrible accident. She was left alone. Her aunt and uncle took care of her, but it was not the same. Ilara missed her parents every day. As she grew up, Ilara didn't talk much. She stayed away from other people. But there was one place where she felt a little better: the forest. She loved walking among the tall trees and listening to the sound of the wind and water. One day, Ilara walked deeper into the forest than ever before. She found a secret place with a big, beautiful oak tree in the middle. When she touched the tree, she felt warm inside. It was like the tree could feel her pain and wanted to help. From that day on, Ilara visited the tree often. She talked to it like it was a friend. She told it her secrets, her fears, and her dreams. And slowly, her heart began to feel a little less heavy. Then one day, while sitting under the tree, Ilara heard a voice. "Don't be afraid," the voice said. "I am the spirit of the forest. I have heard your cries, but there is still hope for you." Ilara was shocked. She looked around, but no one was there. "What do I need to do?" she asked. "You must go on a journey," the spirit said, "to heal your heart and find your strength again." And just like that, the voice was gone. Ilara was scared, but also curious. Maybe this journey could really help her. So she packed her bag and left the village. She walked through valleys, mountains, rivers, and more forests. It was hard. She was tired and lonely. But with each step, she became stronger. One day, she met a kind old woman by a lake. The woman looked at her and said, "You carry a heavy heart, child. But you don't have to carry it alone." Ilara cried and told the woman everything. The woman smiled and said, "Your scars are not ugly. They show your strength." Ilara smiled too. For the first time in a long time, she felt hope. After many months, Ilara came back to the village. But she was not the same girl anymore. She was strong, brave, and full of light. The broken girl was now a hero, and her story gave hope to everyone around her. Did you enjoy Ilara's story? What gave you strength during a hard time? Tell us in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell for more easy English stories every week.